You might have seen a sign in your community for a bushfire place of last resort, but do you know what it really means? A bushfire place of last resort is not an alternative to good planning, leaving early, or staying and defending your property. Bushfire places of last resort are for where you have absolutely no other place to go. Therefore, when all else has failed, when Plan A, Plan B and Plan C has failed. It doesn't provide the same level of protection as a well-constructed, defendable home, having a good plan or being well prepared. These locations are not always a building or a structure. They can be an open area or an oval, something that provides a level of protection from radiant heat.
It is important to know there will be no support services such as CFA, SES, food, drinks or medical services. There will be no provisions for pets or livestock. These services are simply unable to help each bushfire place of last resort in an emergency.
A bushfire place of last resort is the absolute last option when all your other plans have failed. So what's your plan during a fire emergency? The key is planning ahead. Use the CFA Fire Ready Kit on the CFA website to help you to understand your risk and to prepare your household's bushfire plan.
Everyone should have a bushfire plan and practice it.
It's critical that if you're living in a high bushfire risk area that you have several backup plans should your primary bushfire plan fail. Being well prepared is your responsibility. Find out about local community meetings, community fireguard groups and how you can best build your bushfire plan by checking out the CFA website.